Hi guys, I'm Raunak. The biggest discussion around the Indian cricket team is about who would take the head coach's job 2 months later. It's even worse when you see experienced coaches like Ricky Ponting and Justin Langer come out and openly reject the offer. And that is further stabbed when the Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI says it never approached them. But it is what it is. After weeks of speculation, Gautam Gambhir has emerged as the favorite candidate. There have been reports saying it's a done deal, while others have raised caution. A video of him meeting with BCCI Secretary Jay Shah after the IPL 2024 final has only added to the rumors. Would he, if appointed, be the right choice? So in this video, I'll mention 3 reasons why Gautam Gambhir would be the perfect head coach for Team India if he is appointed. So let's get started without wasting any time. Justin Langer's rejection for the job was telling. He revealed that his colleague and captain at the Lucknow Super Giants LSC told him there's a lot of pressure and politics in the job, 1,000 times more than his current role in the IPL. It's not that Gambhir being a politician can deal with better, but he's the kind of character who won't different from him. When his switch to the Delhi Capitals didn't work out in 2018, he didn't have any qualms about stepping down and giving a chance to the then 23-year-old Shreyas Iyer, a move that worked out brilliantly. No matter how the World Cup goes, India will need some tough decisions like the transition away from the senior players like Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, deciding on future captains and finding a clear vision and character. The vision is especially needed in T20s where India seems to be lingering behind the former trends. The brand of cricket Kolkata Knight Riders KKR played under him in IPL 2024 was the purest modern cricket the tournament had seen in years, and is something that India and their cricket fans could enjoy more of. Gambhir 42 is in closer touch with the modern realities of cricket in all formats than outgoing coach Rahul Dravid 51 and might bring an immediate shift. Throughout his captaincy career at KKR and the mentorship at LSG and now KKR, Gautam Gambhir had this vision of developing young players. Harshit Rana and Bhairav Arora were with KKR in 2023 as well, but his return seemed to have unlocked them by giving them particular roles and backing. Despite Dravid's success with incorporating Rinku Singh, Yashasvi Jaiswal and Dhruv Jurel among others, India has a lot of unused young talent, with the likes of Harshit Rana, Riyan Parag and Abhishek Sharma now knocking on the doors. India can't compromise development for immediate success. When Gautam Gambhir takes up the job, he would be expected to improve the team by getting in fresh legs and giving them enough freedom to unlock their potential. He could do that himself or by having an assistant take care of it. But at least in this area of the job, the BCCI would be assured of a smooth passing of the baton. The only thing India may need from a new head coach is converting that team full of stars into one that can go over the line in knockouts and end the trophy drought. Gautam Gambhir, who has always focused on winning trophies and been an advocate of developing mental toughness for such games, just seems perfect. Throughout the IPL, we spoke a lot about big match mentality at KKR. They had a core of players like Mitchell Starc and Venkatesh Iyer who might go through the group games unnoticed but often turn up in the biggest matches. Even the coaching department was full of similarly steely personalities. The last thing India needs after the World Cup is going through more World Test Championship finals and World Cup semi-finals by changing their game, pulling back on the intent and buckling under pressure. Gambhir, with his eye for talent and ability to push a team into wins, could and should change that. So guys, what's your opinion? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then leave a like, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. I'll be back with a new interesting video. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching this one. See ya.